Today I am introducing a new feature that will make it easier for you to find your phone during GPS activities. Previously, our Find My Phone feature allowed you to trigger your phone's ringtone using your watch when it's connected, helping you locate your phone. The new feature works when your watch and phone are disconnected. It can display and navigate to the last location where your phone and watch are connected, making it easier for you to find your phone. Here's how to use this new feature. Go to Notifications Alerts, System Alerts. Turn on Find My Phone Alert. If your phone and watch's Bluetooth connection is disconnected for more than 3 minutes during a GPS activity, your smartwatch will display a disconnection notification. At this point, if you find that you can't locate your phone anywhere, you can view the map of your phone's last known location. Tap OK, and then enter the control menu and select Find My Phone to locate your phone. Navigation instructions will guide you back to your phone's last location. Swipe down the page to see the compass and distance information, which will help you quickly find your phone based on the distance. When you get close to the phone, the watch will automatically connect via Bluetooth and notify you that it's reconnected. At this point, listen for the sound alert to quickly find your lost phone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to update your watch for the latest features, including easy phone finding. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.